Alright, before any big trip or adventure, you should always make sure that your tent is waterproof. And especially with some of the terrain we'll be going through on this trip, you definitely don't want to be getting wet. So today we had to bring in the expert, Valerie. Valerie, show them what this is going to do.
I really don't want to get wet.
You're not going to get wet. It'll just sound funny outside. You're just going to hear the water hitting it. It's going to sound like a real big rainstorm. Yeah, I think we'd say that's a test pass. The only water in here is the sweat because it's hotter and you know what. Alright, Valerie, would you like to add anything?
It was totally not fun.
It was totally not fun.
And you heard it first, E to E.